Hello, YouTube and their crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to another episode of Equibit Trading, where we today are looking at Solana. Yesterday, we did some live trading, and we also, if we go to the hourly, we are, well, first of all, we can say Solana is looking good. First thing you learn in trading is that when you are in a bull market, which we are. Solana did not have a blow off top, it had a healthy correction. When you are in a bull market, what you do, you wait for the price to come down to the 20 moving average, like we can see here on the daily, and you buy. And currently, we are looking at this bull flag for Solana with the insane price target of $280. That being said, keep in mind Solana had a recent crazy run up, but from a technical analysis point of view, the next target is $280. That is a crazy target, so keep that in mind. That it will probably be a bumpy ride, and it also will depend on how Bitcoin is doing. But that is what the rules say. When you are in a bull market, wait for the price to come down to the 20 moving average and buy. And we're just about to hit the 20 moving average. So let's look at the hourly and let's see what we did yesterday. Because yesterday we bought the breakout of a little bull flag. I think we started around here, and our bull flag target was all the way up here at $170. You can go back and watch the live stream that we posted yesterday if you want to. So that was around let's see, that was around yeah, yesterday at 10 o'clock. So we started about here on this candle here, and we did some 15 minutes trading. We did a long trade from here up to $170, and we did with not so much leverage, and we did some leverage trading with on the 15 minute and on the 5 minutes from here until about here. First a bull flag and then breakout of an ascending triangle. And we did make some money doing that. But the big gains were from the bull flag here, like this, on the 15-minute candles. We saw a bull flag forming here, and we took that trade and we traded from here all the way up to $170 on low leverage. So that being said, we want to see when is the right time to buy Solana now in order to get in onto the next bull flag. As we can see, today is a little bit of a pullback situation here. And we are just below the 20 moving average. So my let's just remove this for now. So my thoughts here, they are as following. We go back to the daily on Solana. We can either try to wait for this to come all the way down to the 20 moving average and have that as our entry point just when we hit the 20 moving average. Let's look at the other moving averages. They are looking good. Let's look at the EMA ribbon and see how we're doing on that. So then we go here, EMA ribbon, this one. So that is flipping bullish. No, that is bullish, but we are just above it now, which is good. I'm not sure if this is the one I normally use because they're all green. It doesn't matter. And let's have a look at the 100 moving average as well. Moving average. Yeah, they should all be in line. We have the 50. Let's look at the 7. Let's get the 7 in there. So we might have a little bit of a death cross here coming. So that is something we need to keep in mind. Let's change the color of this visibility. Let's make that blue. That's a weird color. Pink. Pink's alright. So here we go. Yeah, there might come a death cross between the 7 moving average and the 20 moving average. But very soon, let's count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so we are. It's going to depend a little bit about what's going to happen the next few days, if we get this death cross or if we can avoid it. So that's a little bit risky. Just keep that in mind. But as you can see, we did find support of the 7 moving average. Just as we hit the 7 moving average, the price reversed a little bit. So there's a little bit of support here on the 7 moving average. But we are down for the day, but that was expected because yesterday we rose a little bit too fast, too much, and we basically uh, pushed it a little bit too high over the moving averages. That's why we're coming down today a little bit. But let's look at the hourly chart, and then, well, we could look at the 4-hourly charts first to see if we um, get any information here. As you can see, we're just underneath the 50 moving average here on the 4-hour chart. So ideally, we want to be above that, and there will probably be a cross between the 20 and the 50 on the 4-hourly within the near future. So this one is flipping bullish. We have the 7 crossing the 50 on the 4-hour, and let's look on the hourly chart here. So here we have the opposite situation. So yeah, probably not right now. Is probably not the best time when you look at an hourly time frame to get in, because ideally you want to be above the 20 moving average on the hourly before buying in. But I mean, we're not talking about trading here. We're talking about when you should buy to hodl, and then it might not be that important. It's maybe be more important to look at the 4-hourly. So I would say if we could climb above the both the 7 moving average and the on the 50 moving average on the 4-hour, and at the same time on the daily be above the moving averages, then we have a good buying opportunity. I do expect us to, if we go back to the 4-hourly again, yeah, it's all going to depend. If we can push above these moving averages here, I think Solana is going to reverse a little bit for the day. Go with positive price action to increase in price. If we cannot get above this, then I think we are going to see a little bit more of correction coming for the day. So let's see where we got support. We got pretty strong support here in this area here. So I don't think Solana is going. My sentiment for the rest of the day is sort of bullish because of this support here. The problem is we do not have any moving average to sort of add support to this. How do the EMA ribbon look here on the 4-hour? Yeah, we are above, so that is bullish as well. I think that's probably going to be the that this is the bottom of the day. But I do not want to say for certain before we can get the price and close above the 50 moving average. And I think that would be a great entry point for the next leg up for Solana. Little bit of a pullback today, but that was just because we overshot the moving averages with such a huge candle yesterday from the breakout of the bull flag that we traded, and we reached our price target and we sold at $170. But that don't mean that I'm not bullish on Solana. It just gave us an opportunity to come down to the moving average to buy in again. And remember, guys, I bought Solana in April. So I'm happy taking some profits here and transferring them to Bitcoin for long-term gains. These altcoins, um, in my opinion, they are great to stay in to get these huge pumps, but over time, they will not outperform Bitcoin. That is my experience, and that happened with Litecoins, Cash, and a lot of these other things. Maybe this time it's different, but I always take some profits from my altcoins and I transfer it into Bitcoin for the long term. That's what I'm doing. So you can do what you want to do, and I also need some Bitcoin to use on on the DeFi and all this to gain some interest. So yeah, that's probably it for today. Let's look at the beautiful target once more, and remember to subscribe for and hit the bell notification for the next live trade. I just want to remind you that yesterday we did like a 7% or so, close to 8% gain just from one day. So be subscribed and hit that bell notification. I'm not a genius. I'm not always correct. So if you saw the episode yesterday and think that I am always right and I always find the right entry point and always hit my target, that is not the case. I will not lie. Um, but this is looking. I mean, the target should be from the bottom of the flag, and here we have a clear breakout. I mean, a bull flag don't get much clearer than this, and this is definitively a breakout. I would like it to go all the way down and test it, but then we would be underneath the 20 moving average. So I think a good entry point is here at the price approximately where we are now, and a target of $170 almost, $270 almost. So that's it for today, and have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.